He's breathing.
Okay, I have a...
Hello, sir.
How's it going?
You all right?
Yeah, good.
43 is good. What's going on, man?
What?
You had anything to drink today? Alcohol-wise?
Yeah, just a normal amount, you know?
On December 16, 2024, Dallas-Fort Worth Airport Police responded to a welfare call at the lower level of DFW International Airport. A man had been found unresponsive on a traffic curb. His wife was already on the phone. What followed raises a focused legal question. When does a welfare check cross the legal threshold into a custodial arrest, and was that threshold actually met here?
He's breathing.
Okay, I have a...
Hello, sir.
How's it going?
You all right?
Yeah, good.
43 is good. What's going on, man? Go ahead, take a seat. Can you take a seat? Can you take a seat? What's going on, man?
I was just sleeping on the way here.
You said what now?
I was just sleeping on the way over here.
You were sleeping on the way here?
Yeah.
Okay. Where'd you come from, man?
What's up?
Huh?
What's up?
Can you speak up a little bit? I can't hear you.
What's up?
Hotel? Is this one?
Yeah, and this is his phone. His wife called, thank God.
Oh, she on the phone?
And then I just lost her. 911 wanted to talk to you, Penal.
Oh, I'm right.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Did you just fly in or something?
Did I just fly in?
Yeah, did you fly in?
Yeah. Guess I was just trying to get a ride.
You trying to get a ride?
Yeah.
So what happened? You just fell asleep?
Yeah.
Can you take your glasses off real quick? Guys, let me see your eyes. Can you look at me? There you go. Let me see your eyes.
Nah, don't do that.
Nah, let me see your eyes.
Look, man, it's like, I already have sensitive eyes.
Okay.
Like, I know what you're trying to do, but, like, that... Like,
I'm trying to make sure you're okay. That's what I'm trying to do.
No, I
okay.
am okay.
This is a medical emergency,
yeah,
alright?
no, I am okay. I just, I would just like to... I would just like to figure out a way to... Like earlier, I couldn't even find a, I couldn't find a ride.
You couldn't find a ride? Was it on your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got any medical history, man?
What's that?
You got any medical history, anything you should know about? No? Any seizures, diabetes?
Well,
You say what?
no.
None? So, okay. I'm trying to figure out just what happened, okay? Because you were on the floor, people were worried.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just, it's been a really long day, man. I've been, like, traveling for, like, 2 days. And I haven't been able to, like, am I at DFW still?
You say what?
Am I at DFW still?
You are, yes.
I was trying to get a ride earlier, and just like I couldn't get a ride earlier. It took me like 45
minutes?
Yeah, it took a really long time to get a ride earlier.
Yeah, for sure.
It's on the phone. Here's your wife. She's really funny.
43 is lower level 17.
Yeah, I tried to get a ride over here earlier.
He sounds kind of, just want to make sure he doesn't have any medical history, you know?
I'm just standing there with my bags are there. I'm so
okay.
trying to watch my bags and do this.
Yeah.
It's hard to get a ride up.
I think he might have had some drinks. I think, yeah. Yes. I think he might have had like some drinks. He was just laying down. Yeah.
The only thing I could say is we're the courtesy fans. He's talking to his wife right now. So
He was just taking a nap.
I was able to get him to come in.
You need medics?
No, sir. I guess apparently I fell asleep.
All right. You know where you're at?
Sir, yeah.
You know what today is?
What is it, like Monday or Tuesday?
What time of day without looking at your watch?
It's late. I understand that. Like it's what, like
What month is it?
it's
Texas Penal Code Section 49.02 defines public intoxication as appearing in a public place while intoxicated to the degree that the person may endanger themselves or another. This is a two-part test. Intoxication alone is not sufficient. The statute requires a behavioral or circumstantial showing of potential danger, not merely impairment. The subject admitted to consuming 3 shots of Jack Daniels over a 3-hour flight from Los Angeles. He was found unconscious on an active traffic curb. He could not identify the day of the week or the current month. Under the totality of circumstances standard established in Illinois versus Wardlow, officers may consider behavioral indicators alongside voluntary disclosures when forming probable cause. The officer himself articulated the danger element on camera, noting that a vehicle jumping the curb could have killed the subject. That statement is not rhetorical. It is the statutory foundation for the arrest.
okay.
Let me see you get up, walk for a second. I'll leave you alone.
Well, I can already tell you, man. Like it's been a long couple days. So, I'm okay. My wife's coming to get me.
Yeah, that's all I need to say. Well, cancel.
All right.
You don't want to go later? Yeah.
What's that?
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a ride. Having a real problem, like getting a ride out of here.
Where's home? Where?
I live.
Mecca. Oh, right. That's there.
Oh yeah, I'm causing all of it.
So you got anywhere to call? Did you have any to drink, man?
What's that?
You got some drinks today?
What?
You had anything to drink today? Alcohol wise?
Yeah, just a normal amount, you know.
Can I? Is that your wife?
Yeah.
Can I talk to her?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Is there somewhere I can just like walk in so I can like get some water and like stuff like that?
Hello?
So you say you
Hello, how you doing? This Officer Ponce here with DFW Airport Police.
normal amount of alcohol?
I just wanted to ask you some questions. Does he have any medical history?
Are you trying to get me in public?
No? Okay. You're aware he's in Dallas? I don't know if this is home for him or not, but...
So you just normally sleep on the sidewalk?
I tried to look at it. I mean, I've been fine. Like I'm probably a little.
Hey, I don't know what you guys want to do yet, but talk to the wife. She's an hour and a half away. It's not a medical emergency. He's good.
What does the wife say?
She don't have no medical histories. She's on the way over here. They're from Tyler.
I was coming from Los
I
Angeles.
think he has some drinks, but that's pretty much it.
Got fed some beers on the plane and yeah. So like that's been the whole deal, man. Is that like
But you're sleeping on the curb here, and if a car were to jump over the
I
curb,
know that
you're dead.
That's bad. But I would like to.
No.
I would like for you to like show a little respect, not escalate this.
Okay.
I'll respect you and do what you ask me to. Like let's just solve this the easy way.
What's the easy way for you?
Getting out of traffic.
Yeah.
Like just getting somewhere safe.
Yeah.
You know, like that would be the best thing.
What kind of beers did you have? What kind of alcohol did you have?
I had like 3 shots of like Jack Daniels. I think like on the way from Los Angeles to here, so we're like a 3-hour period. But I've also like I traveled for work and
How long is where is she coming from?
Tyler.
Tyler. When did she start coming to drive?
She's an hour and a half away.
Yeah. So like that's been the whole deal, man. Is that like
But you're sleeping on the curb here, and if a car were to jump over the curb, you're dead.
That's bad. But I would like for you to like show a little respect and not escalate this.
Okay.
I'll respect you and do what you ask me to. Like let's just solve this the easy way. You know,
What's the easy way for you?
getting out of traffic,
Getting where?
like just getting somewhere safe.
Yeah.
And, you know, like just like that. That would be the best thing.
What kind of beers did you have, or what kind of alcohol did you have on the plane?
I had like 3 shots of like Jack Daniels.
Yeah.
I think like on the way from Los Angeles to here, so over like a 3-hour period.
Okay.
But I've also like I traveled for work, and it's been just kind of a culmination. Like I've had this has been like a bad outing for me, and
What's
like,
been a habit?
I'm just kind of like I'm really missing home, man. I'm missing my girls.
Okay.
And I just don't think that I'm handling it well this time, you know?
Okay.
Like, I need to go home and, like, being in the hotels.
What do you do for work?
Electrical work.
Electrical. So
Yeah.
what took you out to LA?
I do renewables.
Okay.
I mainly work on renewables.
Okay.
So I was working out there, and I was out there for like 2 weeks.
The legal authority to arrest is confirmed by Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, in which the Supreme Court held that custodial arrests for Class C misdemeanors are constitutionally permissible under the Fourth Amendment. Public intoxication in Texas is a Class C misdemeanor carrying no jail time upon conviction, only a fine not to exceed $500. The arrest was legal, but legality and necessity are not the same question. Before announcing the arrest, the officer confirmed that the subject's wife was en route from Tyler, Texas, approximately 90 minutes away, and that she was sober. Texas Commission on Law Enforcement Training Guidelines encourage officers to consider release to a sober, responsible adult as an alternative to custodial arrest for Class C offenses when that adult is confirmed and accessible. That alternative was not pursued on camera. The officer had the information, he had the time. The decision to arrest rather than wait is where this encounter becomes analytically significant.
And
So, Kyle, I'm going to be straight up honest with you, okay?
yeah, come on.
I'm gonna have you stand up. I'm gonna place you under arrest.
Now,
Yes, sir.
why are you placing me under arrest?
For public intoxication.
No, hold on. Look, y'all, this is what I was talking. This is what I was talking. Are you kidding me, bro? You really fucking play? No, you have been.
It's only a PI, bro. It's only a PI.
I don't
Relax. Relax.
Hey, let go. Let go.
Listen.
Let go of your wrist.
Don't make it any worse.
Make it any worse, motherfucker.
Hey, Kyle.
Are you f***ing for real? You're really gonna place me under arrest right now?
Public intoxication. Okay.
Bro, you got
When it's hey, listen to me.
Alright, what's up?
Okay, listen. When your girl comes to our department, and she is a sober individual,
How do I let her know
Hey, I'm not gonna hold that against
No,
you.
dude.
I'm not. Okay.
I got my she's having to bring my goddamn kids too.
Well, I mean, she's coming to pick you up because you're drunk on the sidewalk. So
I've been trying to get home for it.
Stand up for me.
Okay. No, hold on.
Stand up, Kyle.
Can you get my bag, bro?
Yeah.
Fucking bullet. This is why I wasn't trying to fucking talk to your ass, bro. Because I already know how your cops are.
Well,
Fucking PI, bro. You fucking kidding me, bro?
it's a Class C, dude. It's just like
I was asking. This is
You
what
don't need to yell at me, man.
I was coming to you for help, and this is the fucking help you give me.
Yeah, well, making sure you're gonna have a safe.
No, you arrest me.
Okay.
You could take me in there.
No, we can't. We can't.
Or you could sit me down like somewhere where I'm like more fucking capable. Like you can give me help.
Okay.
Instead you're gonna give me a fucking record.
It's like a traffic ticket. That's all it is.
You're still. What are you gonna do? You're gonna take me in.
You're gonna show.
You're gonna give me that.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna fucking fingerprint me. You're gonna take my goddamn picture.
I'm not.
I know you're not, but I already know the system.
Okay.
I'm not gonna run from you. I'm not a fucking criminal.
I think you would.
I will. Like.
So, Kyle, do you have anything on you that's you're not supposed to have in the state of Texas?
No, sir.
Okay. Because coming from Las Vegas or Los Angeles,
No. Yeah.
there's
No.
different laws.
No weed. Nothing.
Okay.
No.
Hey.
Just my wife. Like should be able to.
She will come and get you.
Okay.
If hear me out. If you do not escalate
No.
anymore,
Yeah.
and it's just a simple PI, public intoxication.
Yeah, PI, yeah.
Chances of you getting out tonight are a good chance. If she's sober and your levels of intoxication are going down.
Absolutely,
okay?
yeah.
All right. There, I got you.
Okay, well, thank you.
No, thank you for.
Because I know I was.
Step.
I was.
Hey.
I do appreciate you looking out for me because like I feel like I've been in a bad way today.
Yeah, put it back, sir.
Like I just hate that it had to happen this way because I.
Like, all with you, and then watch your head.
Are you settled?
I think so.
All right.
Okay.
Well, I know it's. Where do you want to do this at?
Here's mine.
Under Graham versus Connor, the reasonableness of an officer's decision must be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of that decision, not with hindsight. A reasonable officer at that moment had a confirmed, sober custodian 90 minutes away, a cooperative and lucid subject, and a Class C charge carrying no incarceration risk. The Graham framework does not require officers to choose the least restrictive alternative, but it does require that the choice made be objectively reasonable given all available facts. The subject's Fifth Amendment rights were not implicated during the initial questioning. His disclosures about alcohol consumption and his condition were all voluntary, made during a non-custodial consensual contact. No Miranda advisement was required at that stage. Miranda versus Arizona applies at the point of custodial interrogation. The officer's questions prior to the arrest announcement do not meet that threshold. However, the 10-minute rapport-building phase that preceded the arrest created a foreseeable contrast effect. The subject had every reasonable expectation that the conversation would end in release, not handcuffs. That expectation was never corrected until the moment of arrest. While this does not constitute an implied promise under Texas law, it is a tactical consideration that directly affected the subject's emotional response and the officer's control of the scene. Officer Ponce receives a B-. The arrest was legally grounded. The probable cause elements of Texas Penal Code Section 49.02 were met: public place, intoxication, and documented danger to self. The officer maintained composure throughout a prolonged and emotionally escalating encounter. He used no unnecessary force, communicated the charge accurately, and secured the subject's property. The deduction reflects the failure to explore a confirmed and available alternative to custodial arrest, one that Texas law enforcement training explicitly recommends when a sober custodian is en route. The subject receives a B+. He was cooperative from initial contact through transport, honest about his alcohol consumption without prompting, and did not physically resist at any point. The deduction reflects the pre-arrest decisions that created the legal predicate entirely consuming alcohol to incapacitation in a public traffic zone while relying on transportation he had not yet secured. His verbal outburst at the moment of arrest was counterproductive. Under Texas law, arguing a public intoxication charge at the point of arrest has no legal effect and only raises the risk of additional charges. Several practical takeaways emerge from this encounter. First, for officers, when a sober, responsible adult is confirmed and en route, document your consideration of release alternatives before proceeding to custodial arrest on a Class C offense. Second, transparency and timing matters. If arrest is the intended outcome, signaling that intent early prevents the emotional volatility that follows a rapport-building phase the subject experienced as cooperative and friendly. Third, for civilians, public intoxication in Texas does not require a breathalyzer, a field sobriety test, or blood evidence. An officer's direct observation of impairment in a public space is legally sufficient for arrest. If you have consumed alcohol and are in a public space, secure your transportation before your condition becomes observable to law enforcement, not after. Fourth, know the charge before you argue it. The subject accurately identified public intoxication as a Class C misdemeanor. That legal literacy should have informed his decisions before the encounter, not during it. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police and court interactions.